Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Cubot Max 3, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. I suggest to use an old toothbrush to not damage your USB charging port. Toothbrush is the best tool to clean your USB port. Okay, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to clear it. Firstly, take the cover off if you have, then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and try to pry the dirt out. Just pry it out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.